DFR Solicitors, experienced drink driving lawyer. We appreciate that engaging the services of a solicitor can often be strenuous and very much a daunting experience. Getting the right solicitors to deal with your case will often be the difference between success and failure. DFR Solicitors make the whole process simple. From the very outset, our solicitors will guide you step by step through the merits of your case, the potential outcome, and most importantly, we will tell you how much our services are going to cost. We are proud to offer the DFR Pledge. Free initial consultation. We offer a free initial consultation with an experienced solicitor. We will endeavour to answer any inquiry you have within 2 hours, and at the very latest the same day. Personalised service. We cater for the individual needs of every client. We appreciate that no two cases are the same. We are unique in the sense that our solicitors do not bind themselves to the conventional working schedule of 9 to 5. Passion and success. We passionately believe in achieving a successful outcome and endeavour to exceed your expectations. Ease of communication. We will not bombard you with legal jargon and technical terms. We will contact you via email and text so that you are well informed as to the progress of your case. Professional and specialist. We have a dedicated and specialized team of lawyers, who are experts in their fields of personal injury law, and road traffic law. We are affiliated with the Association of Personal Injury Lawyers, APIL, and have experienced solicitors who are accredited with the Criminal Litigation Accreditation Scheme, Class. Independent, reputable and reliable. Our firm is independent and regulated by Solicitors Regulation Authority. With DFR Solicitors you really can rest easy, knowing that the right firm is dealing with your case. Find out what you are entitled to today. Please call us now on 01484 599 888 or 020 8945 5212 or click to make an online inquiry.